This is not your grandma's Mary Kay. The products are amazing. They have a rich history, a rich legacy. We can say we've been around for 60 years, but our products are ever evolving. Hi, I'm Mikaya Warren, and Mary Kay, it just fits. So I got into modeling around age 9, actually. But that same year was when I lost my hair to alopecia. In the 90s, you did not see models without hair. That just was not a thing. But my mom will tell you that I don't take no for an answer very well. But that's also what introduced me to my current passion, which is makeup artistry. I love the way it empowered me, but also empowered other women. When they get out of that chair, you can see the light bulb come on. And that is what led me to Mary Kay. During the beginning years of my business with Mary Kay and working on an esthetician's license, my customers, they trusted me not only as their makeup professional, but now their skincare professional as well. I found a way to work my business virtually. So social media played a huge role. That is how I started. Showing demonstrations in the products that I love, how much fun I have working my business. Welcome, welcome, Monday Night Live consultants and directors. I'm so happy to be here with y'all. So I think it's important to be transparent to an extent so that the raw and the real shines through. There's always someone that picks up the phone and texts you and says, hey, you can do this, like you can do hard things. Women need that. We need that support. We need that empowerment. What I love about this business, I can work from anywhere. I love that this could be for anybody. If you have a passion for people, if you love empowering others, this is for you.